Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make this catch game in Scratch. So let me introduce you. We have this apple catching game, we have sound effects and loads more. We have a you win. It's until 30 our score, but in this video I'll make it 20. So yeah, let's make it. So I'll show you the you win really quick. And if you touch the green apple, the score goes down by 5. So you don't want that. And boom. Yes, you win. Okay, that's nice. So let's go file a new project. So first things first, leave the scratch card. We will choose a sprite. I will pick this bowl, choose another sprite. I'll pick this apple right here, and in the stage choose a backdrop, blue sky. Okay, let's go. So before we start, I'll put in a bowl. We'll set the size to 120, make it bigger. Okay, so we'll drag the ball right here. Okay, so when green flag clicked, you'll go to X, 0, Y, negative 140, forever. You'll change Y by negative, if key right arrow pressed, you will change X by 10, right click this and duplicate it. If key left arrow pressed, we'll change X by negative 10, and right by that we have this nice right and left arrow moving. Okay, now let's go to apple, put in a one green flag clicked. You will go to random position, and I will set the Y to 180. Okay, and put in a forever loop. You'll change Y by negative 5, then you'll turn right 6 degrees if Y position is less than negative 170. You will go to random position. You'll set Y to 180. Okay, let's test that. So you have this apple dropping, and yes, this is so cool. So now we'll add the apple to catch it. So if touching bubble, we'll duplicate this code, put that in, and then I will make a variable named score full sprite. You'll set score to 0 at the very beginning, and in here we'll change score by 1. Okay, so as you can see now we can catch the apple. Okay, so now that's good. Now we will make sound effects. So go to sound, choose a sound, and I'll search a pop sound, click it, code, and if touching bowl, we'll just put in this start sound pop. Okay, let's test that. And yes, that is nice. So now let's make multiple apples. Duplicate these. Okay, in apple and I want to change the speed. So in this apple, put in negative 4. This apple, I'll put in negative 6. Okay, so you have different types of apples. One is fast, one is slow, and one is medium. Okay, that's nice. Now we'll duplicate this apple, change Y by negative 5, and in here we'll change score by negative 5. And in the costumes, I will use this fill tool, and I will put a green color apple. Okay, now there's a poisonous apple. Okay, so now let's make a you win text. Okay, so we'll print a new sprite. You'll go to text. You'll make a green colored text named you win. Make it big. Okay, we'll name this you win. Okay, so once green flag clicked, we'll hide and we'll go to x0, y0. Wait until score is more than 19. You'll show and stop all. Okay, let's give it a quick test. Okay, so you win, but this is a problem. When I press the green flag, the you win text is still there. So to fix that, we'll put in a wait 0 seconds. Okay, so now you can see the game, and yes, this is so cool. So thank you for watching, guys. Please leave a like, comment, share, and do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.